Meet me in hero pose, sitting on your knees and heels. Gently close your eyes and notice everything about how you feel. Now gently blink your eyes open. Set up a high plank. Fingers fanned out wide. Neck is in line with your spine. Puff up between your shoulders. Legs are engaged and strong. Everything is pushing against gravity, and your breath, so calm. With this engagement, I want you to lower down slowly at the pace of 3 breaths. You got this. You can always modify with your knees down on the mat. Strengthen, don't strain. Once you come all the way down, set up for a low cobra. Zip your legs and feet together and press the tops of your feet into the mat. Pinch your elbows together behind you, then lift your chest up off the mat and hover your hands just millimeters above your mat. And feel that gentle bob with each breath. Lower your right ear down to the mat. Take your arms long down by your sides, palms facing up. Let your feet fall open. Go from 60 to 0 and completely relax. Then draw your chin back to center. Interlace your hands behind your lower back. Zip your legs and feet together. Press the tops of your feet down and peel your chest up off the mat. Extend through your back arms, even lifting your arms off your back just slightly. Shoulders rolling open, peel up a little bit higher, and if you want to take this one step further, lift your legs as well. 3, 2, 1. Belly Shavasana. Left ear goes down, arms fall open, ankles fall open. Completely relax. So draw your chin back to center. Plant your hands underneath your shoulders. Make your way to downward facing dog. Then take a walk to the top of your mat for a deep forward fold. Find halfway lifts. Slide your hands up your shins. Roll your heart open as you press your chest forward. Inhale. Exhale to forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Come all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. Hinge at your hips. Come all the way down. Lead with your chest, then soften your knees. One more halfway lift. Slide your hands up your shins. Press your heart forward. Inhale. Exhale, plant your hands, step your feet back, high to low plank all at once. Slow, fluid, and controlled. Upward facing dog as you inhale, shoulders roll open. Downward facing dog as you exhale. Send it back. Big breath in through your nose. Big breath out through your mouth. Just one more time. Inhale, look up, bend your knees. Exhale, top of the mat. For halfway lift, then forward fold. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, fold. One more halfway lift. Chaturanga, high to low plank. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Reach your right leg high. Big inhale. Exhale, bring your right knee to touch your right elbow. Use your core. Inhale, reach your right leg high. Exhale, knee to nose or forehead, wherever it goes. Inhale, reach your right leg high. Exhale, right knee to your left elbow across the body. Touch it once. Good. Inhale, reach your right leg high. Exhale, step it through to a low lunge. Stack your knee above your ankle, round into your right foot as you stand up into a one-leg mountain pose, left knee lifting, arms reaching up. For the sake of balance, set your gaze on one spot. Then bring your hands together at heart center and ground down. Inhale, arms reach back up. Exhale, reach your left arm back and grab onto your left foot, setting up for a dancer. Pinch your knees together and then bow open through your chest as you extend your left foot into your left hand. Reach your right hand directly forward, and with grace, release your back foot, extend both hands forward for a warrior 3. Or if you'd like to modify, you can take airplane instead. Your body is like a plank on top of your standing leg. Gaze is set, breath is smooth. From here, set up half moon. Lower your right hand down, reach your left hand high, and flex your left toes back as if you were driving your heel through a wall behind you. Then slow and controlled, step back into a warrior 2. Keep your right knee bending open, and do yourself a favor right here. Take your hands to your hips, fingertips right inside of your sharp hip bones, and push. If it's jelly, that means you're not engaging. So engage the space between your hip bones so that when you push, there's some resistance there. Maintain that engagement. Reach your arms out for warrior 2, and then take reverse warrior. Legs stay the same, right arm reaches high, and your core is still engaged. Inhale. Exhale to extended side angle. Right arm reaches down, left arm reaches high, or if you've done this a couple of times or you're a fan of the beach bod series, reach your arms overhead as if you were holding a beach ball. Core is still strong, your belly is tight. From here, reverse triangle. Reach your right arm overhead as you straighten up both legs. Big breath in. Exhale, take both hands down to the mat, chaturanga and vinyasa through to downward facing dog. And remember, you can modify or skip. Strengthen, don't strain. So from your down dog, when you're ready, reach your left leg high. Inhale. Exhale, left knee, left elbow. Inhale, reach your left leg high. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, reach your left leg high. Exhale, left knee to your right elbow and tap it once. Inhale, reach your left leg high. Exhale, low lunge, step it through. Then rise up into your one-leg mountain, right knee lifting. Bring your hands together at heart center and ground down. Inhale, arms reach back up. Exhale, reach your right arm back and set up dancer, grabbing onto your back ankle, knees together. Take a big inhale to bow open into your dancer pose. Then with grace, release your back ankle, finding warrior 3 or airplane. Like a plank above your standing legs, set your gaze and slowly open up into half moon. Lower your left arm down, right arm high. If you feel strong in this pose, you could play with hovering your left fingers above the mat. Otherwise, just plant your fingers on the mat. Flex your right toes back. Drive through your back heel. Step back into warrior 2. And again, on this side, grab onto your hips. Fingers right inside of your sharp hip bones, and press to remind yourself to firm up your core. All of your strength in these poses comes from your core. So inhale, reverse warrior, left arm reaches high. Exhale to extended side angle and take the beach ball variation if you've done the other side. Reverse triangle, both legs straight and your left arm reaches high. Then cartwheel both hands down to your mat and vinyasa through to your downward facing dog, however you'd like to get there. Lower down to your knees and take a seat on your heels into hero pose. And then place your hands in your lap, palms facing down, gently close your eyes and return back to a breath that calms you and grounds you. Namaste.